a ball. She's got a lot to give, and Daddy, you can have it all.
Feminism as a strategy not only to overcome gender-based oppression, but as a strategy against racism, against fascism and materialism and economic exploitation.
Au risque de vous déplaire et de rompre avec certains d'entre vous,
messieurs les pères, les maris, les amants, les patrons, les mecs et les copains,
nous les femmes, on a pris en main notre évolution.
Et si vous avez encore besoin de femmes et d'amour,
c'est vous qui allez être obligés de changer vos habitudes et quelques-uns de vos goûts.
Rape is always a women's subject. I'm 45 years old, and I think I've been listening about women gathering about rape for more than 30 years now, and I'm tired. I want to see men, really, I want to see men gathering, and please try to understand what's going on with you. How can you be racist? How can you prevent it? Because we can't.
Down enough to roll, and what I've got will satisfy your soul. I'm a queen-size mama, king-size appetite. You get the key to